Hey, what's up people? Welcome to another Microsoft Word 2019 tutorial. This is lesson 10, and in this lesson we are going to get familiar with more options that Microsoft Word 2019 has to offer. So far we have gotten familiar with how to create a document, how to open one, how to save one, working with templates, basics of typing, and the different modes for viewing a document. In this lesson we are going to learn more stuff. We are going to learn about page movement and show menu. In past two lessons we got familiar with two groups of this bar. The first one, views, on the left hand side, and the next one, which is placed right next to it, immersive reader mode. Now in this lesson, page movement is the next group of tools that are available to us. We're going to learn more about it. In this group we have two options. The first one, which is enabled by default, is vertical. So all the pages of a document are arranged in vertical mode. Scroll on your mouse to move between your pages. The next one, side to side. Well, as the name suggests, the pages of your documents are shown side to side. You can move through the pages using the scroll on your mouse or the horizontal scroll at the bottom of your page to move among your pages. So when you click on side to side and it's enabled, a new icon, thumbnail icon, appear. So all the pages of your documents are shown as tiles. This one comes into handy if you want to move between your pages and go to another page very quickly. Let's go back to vertical mode. Let's talk about the next group, show. The next tool, ruler. By clicking on ruler, two rulers, a vertical one and a horizontal one, appear on your screen. In intermediate level and intermediate lessons, we will get into details of how to work with rulers. The next one, grid lines. By checking that box next to grid lines appear on your document. Well, basically grid line is not that useful once you're typing your document, but they come in handy when you're placing an object like a media or a video or a picture, so you can align and adjust. The last one, navigation pane. By clicking on navigation pane, a panel appears on the left hand side of your page, which has three titles: headings, pages, and results. If you have a very long document, this option will come in handy. You can see all the headings. Again, the funny thing is that we're going to get into details of it in upcoming lessons. The next one, pages. It shows thumbnails of all the pages that you have in your document, so you can easily click on any and go to it real quick. And the last one, results. Results. By using results, you can search through your documents for a word, for a phrase, and it appears right below results. So we talked about these two groups in general, but again, in more advanced lesson, intermediate level and advanced level, we are going to get more into details. So thank you so much for watching. This was the end of lesson 10. If you liked the video, please hit the like button because it helps us a lot. And if you would like to check the next video, you can see it on the right hand side and the previous lesson on the left hand side. Peace.